I watched him today, sitting at the same table, staring at the same empty chair. He didn't speak, but his silence was louder than any prayer. I remember the mornings when that chair was never empty, when a little boy with messy hair filled the room with questions and laughter. "Papa, where do stars go in the morning?" he once asked. And the father smiled, just like I did. But time moved fast, faster than they realized. The boy grew. The questions stopped. The mornings grew quieter. Work, phones, distractions, they replaced the sound of love. One evening, there was anger, harsh words, silence. No one meant to hurt, but pride stood where love should have. The door closed, the boy left, the chair stayed empty. Still, the father waited. Every morning, every evening. Not a single word from his son, but still, he waited. Because love never stops. It only grows quieter. Today, I whispered into the boy's heart. A gentle thought, a soft nudge, and he listened. The phone buzzed. The father read the message. "Can I come home?" His hands shook. His heart didn't. And when they met again, there were no words. Just eyes filled with tears, arms that didn't let go. I was there, not in the sky, not in a book,